Still confused about PiCoin? I'll show you the exact sign-up steps and why my referral link is the one you need. Hello and welcome to my channel, where I bring you the latest and greatest in tech and cryptocurrency. Today, I am excited to introduce you to the newest addition to the crypto world, PiCoin. PiCoin is a revolutionary new digital currency that has been making waves in the market. And the best part, it's completely free to join and use. That's right, you can earn PiCoin without spending a single penny. So, let me show you how to get started on this amazing opportunity. Step 1. The first step is to download the Pi Network app on your phone. You can find it on the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have it installed, open the app and click on the Sign Up button. Step 2. Now, you'll be asked to enter your invitation code. This is where you can use my referral link to get started. By using my link, not only will you get a head start on earning PiCoin, but you'll also help me earn more too. It's a win-win situation. Step 3. After entering the invitation code, you'll be asked to create your account. It's a simple process, just enter your name, email address, and create a password. Don't forget to read and agree to the terms and conditions. Step 4. Next, you'll be asked to verify your phone number. This is an important step as it ensures that each account is unique and prevents fake accounts. Simply enter your phone number and you'll receive a verification code via text message. Step 5. Once your phone number is verified, you can move on to creating your profile. You can add a profile picture, a short bio, and even link your social media accounts if you'd like. Step 6. Congratulations, you are now a member of the Pi Network and can start earning PiCoin. But before you go, make sure to click on the lightning bolt icon at the bottom of the screen to start mining. This is how you earn PiCoin, and it's as easy as tapping a button once a day. And that's it, you are now ready to start earning PiCoin with the Pi Network app. Remember, use my referral link to get started and help me earn more too. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto content. Happy mining!